So, you want to become invisible? Cool. Totally normal. Who hasn't fantasized about sneaking around undetected like a wizard, a spy, or a socially exhausted introvert at a family reunion? Now, before you grab a bedsheet and start practicing your ghost moves, let's dive into how you could hypothetically make invisibility a reality, with a mix of science, imagination, and just enough danger to keep things interesting. What does being invisible actually mean? Let's break it down. Invisibility isn't about disappearing into thin air. It's about light. Specifically, making light go around you instead of bouncing off you. Normally, when light hits you, it reflects off your skin and clothes and into people's eyes. That's how they see you. To be invisible, you need to stop that reflection, either by bending light around your body or by somehow canceling it out. Sounds impossible? Not quite. Enter metamaterials and light-bending wizardry. There's a thing called metamaterials, engineered stuff that can bend light in unnatural ways. Like, really unnatural. Think of it like optical judo. Instead of light hitting you and screaming, "There you are," it gets gently redirected around you and keeps moving like nothing happened. Scientists have actually built small-scale invisibility cloaks using these materials. So far, they only work for tiny objects, very specific wavelengths of light, and usually in the microwave range. So, yes, we can currently make a paperclip invisible to your microwave. Not super helpful at parties, but it's a start. Another route, active camouflage. Think chameleon, but with tech. Some researchers are working on smart fabrics that can detect their surroundings and project a matching image, kind of like a digital mirror. Imagine wearing a suit that shows exactly what's behind you, like a walking, real-time green screen. It's not true invisibility, but it's close enough to freak people out. Military researchers are definitely into this. Because what's cooler than a tank? A tank you can't see. Could you bend light with gravity? Okay, here's the trippiest route. Einstein showed us that massive objects bend light. Black holes do it all the time. So, if you could somehow warp space-time around yourself just enough to bend light perfectly, voila! Invisibility. But you'd need the mass of a planet. Or a black hole in your pocket. Which is, not the safest accessory. Myth-busting time. Myth number 1, invisibility would let you walk around totally unnoticed. No. Just because people can't see you doesn't mean you're undetectable. You still make noise. You still leave footprints. You still smell like a human, which, let's be honest, isn't always subtle. Myth number 2, Harry Potter's cloak is scientifically plausible. It's magical, folks. No batteries, no wires, no physics. Just a Christmas gift from a very plot-convenient dead relative. Myth number 3, you could see normally while invisible. Here's the catch. If light bends around you to make you invisible, it's not entering your eyes either. So unless your cloak has a visual feed or your eyes work in infrared or something, you're basically blind. A sneaky, clumsy, invisible mess. So, is invisibility possible? Sort of. But not in the cloak and sneak around way you're picturing. We're inching closer with science, bending light, developing adaptive materials, and dabbling in optical illusions. But real, full-body, walk into a room and vanish invisibility? We're not quite there. Yet. But who knows? Maybe in a few decades, you'll slip on your light-bending hoodie, vanish into the crowd, and quietly skip out of another awkward social event. Until then, be visible. Be curious. And maybe don't try to disappear just yet, we still kinda like having you around.